Welcome. Thank you very much for being here this early already in the show. I'm going to talk about the trade desk. I'm the trade desk manager in RMS, and RMS stands for Refurbished and Mobile Imaging Solution. I do a sidestep. First, if you look, you see those two fish. According to Canon, the environment is a very, very important part of the social responsibility. So we have in Canon since 1975 already the filtering of the water. So the water is cleaner than what's go back in the river. They have to say the two kois are in a water tank between the factory and the river, so they live there very happily in clean water. So Canon is very responsible for the environment. For that, they are also social responsibility. So we have 3 goals, but also Trade Desk and Second Life is working on. So the healthcare, environment, and economical growth. RMS. RMS is built up in 2 sections. So the first is the Second Life refurbished equipment. So we have a whole process: selection, the installation, refurbishment, transport, and warranty. I'm responsible for the first 2, the selection and the installation. The rest will be done by my colleague, Misha. Later on, since 2008, Second Life started. Later on, also the mobile imaging solution became part of Second Life. So that's why we changed into the name RMS. I'm not going to talk anymore about the mobiles. I'm only going to concentrate on the refurbishment process. So selection, the installation, that's my part. So I will take care of the organizations and the installation at the customer. So what is my role as trade desk manager? I'm doing everything before there's a new system in your hospital. So what do you do with your old system? So you buy a new system. What are we going to do with your old system? I can help you. So your Canon salesperson will offer the system to me, and I will see if I can find a buyer or we buy it ourselves. It's depending on what kind of system it is. The selection I make, Canon, non-Canon, refurbishing or no refurbishment. When it will be refurbished or how it will be refurbished will be explained by Misha, but I will do the support for the removing of the used system, so the installation, Canon and non-Canon, both. So I will take care of both. And the selection for the refurbishment. So what do I do then? You offer your system, I will see if it's refurbished, so we go into the circular environment, so protection, and then I will search for, if it's too old, I will search for another partner, global partners, so it can be used in another part of the world, or we do scrap on environment-friendly scrap. So, summary. Non-Canon, Canon, we all help you with everything. We take part of the installation. I will support the hospital, the de-installation company, everything. And we take a lot of care of out of your hands. And hopefully you get a good new installation after we take out the old one. And now I'm going to give the clicker to Misha.
Thank you very much, Evelyn, for the explanation. Well, after the careful selection by our trade desk, we, as Second Life, would like to reintroduce these systems into the market. European, globally, public or private institution, that doesn't matter. We want to give the units a second life. To do this, we have 2 pathways. The first pathway is refurbishment for inventory. The second pathway is refurbishment based on customer order. The sales process. If we go and refurbish for inventory, we will install the highest possible software version, which at that time is capable by the hardware of the system. We will make sure the system is configured with a standard configuration which is suitable for the majority of our clients. Of course, during the sales process, we can always add extra items, and for ultrasound we can add or remove probes easily. The second pathway, refurbishment based on customer order, well, we will refurbish as you would like your FT system. If that means we have to upgrade, if it means we have to install options, remove options, we will take care of it and make sure everything is done. The actual refurbishment process is done by our engineers, all qualified engineers, and only using new OEM-approved parts, items, accessories or options, or OEM-approved consumables. After refurbishment, we make sure the system is correct, so we do an acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is done similar to the systems in the factory, the new systems. That's why we are confident systems are good, and that's why we will provide you with 12 months of warranty, just like with new units. You get the same warranty. Other option we can provide you is not sales, but rental. Just like the mobile solution we see outside, we can also do static rental of any modality. Of course, depends on availability and on configuration required by the client. The last step in the process is we perform a safety test because we want to ensure the product is safe to be used by operator and by patient. We will pack it, we will make sure the systems can be transported in a very good manner. We have special pallets for it, for the gantry, for the couch, and the standard Euro pallets for any other parts we have to repack. For ultrasound, we also have a special pallet, you can see it here a little bit, where we will make sure the systems are stored in such a way that we can ship them by air, land and sea to anywhere you want. This concludes my part of the presentation. Thank you very much.